The Sherpa platform was built for versatility and durability. Road touring, off-roading, luggage, long distance or city riding. It is intended to be a great road bike rather than a racing machine.
Yeah, it's a road bike come race bike, and we battle against the purpose-built competition machines on Royal Enfield.
The heart of the bike is the Sherpa engine. It was just the perfect platform to enter a smaller, lightweight, single-cylinder class.
Flat track is the perfect discipline for the bikes that Royal Enfield produce.
It's the ultimate testament for grassroots, accessible racing.
When Ian proposed this, I knew we weren't just going to come out with a race-winning bike. I'd gone from winning a lot of races, and I knew I wasn't going to be winning races anymore at the beginning, and I was okay with that. You know, it is more about a challenge and enjoying the process and seeing what's possible. The first time I saw the Sherpa, I was actually really blown away. What we've started off with compared to what the competition started off with is a big difference. We couldn't compete with a standard bike.
The Pro class is very, very competitive. We have riders from all over the world competing in the UK Championship.
It's pretty amazing to see what that bike's capable of, because we've stretched it a long way from what it was as a standard bike. Even when I get second, it feels like a victory, because it's like, you guys know I'm racing a road bike here.
The Sherpa is a brilliant platform to race on. It's lightweight, low central gravity with a very smooth power deliveries.
We have to ride quite a different line to the other bikes out there, but we're hoping that if we can unlock a little bit more performance, then we could have a different way of attacking the racetrack and an advantage. The end goal was just to see what was possible, to see how good we could make it.
And after the first year of development, we're getting close. It pushes and drives us to carry on with the project, and year on year we're going to do development on the bike and make it better and faster.
If we can make this bike competitive, then we can basically bring Royal Enfield into an FIM World Championship event, and that could be a really cool story, because Royal Enfield, if they've raced in a World Championship, it was a long time ago.